In my fucking mind. You know, I have a wee old time and I've got a fucking place right there, the fucking rusty kettle. And you know
You
what?
still ain't answered me. You ain't touched the rusty tea kettle.
You want me to touch your rusty tea
No.
Then what are you talking
Touch the
about?
rusty tea
The
kettle.
happy's bone? Is that what you want me to touch? But I don't want to touch it. I'm afraid I'm not case.
Hey, tell me what you make of thinking fucking ice cock block. What do you think that's for?
Ice cock block. If you're cock blocking,
What do you think ice cock block is?
well, in my bucket there's ice. And I don't want you touching my bucket. Cause you know what? I've been looking at my bucket
What's your butt?
they're not floating.
Hey,
Hey, bro! Hey, they're not like there's quite a bit of water in my bucket. So I feel like there would be a dumping rain shine inside the house on the bucket.
Hey, bro!
What's that?
Much to have to do with the rusty tea
Because there's water in the bucket. I pull that back up.
rusty tea kettle.
Back up.
That's not the rusty
Hey, bro.
No. Watch
Hey,
your
bro.
mouth.
Hey, chill.
Hey, back up.
Chill
I got a bucket of cold water.
You want to touch the rusty tea kettle?
Calm down.
Hey, take a shot.